Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Galaxy A42 5G from Samsung with a broken display, and we're going to replace the screen on this one. So let's try. So we're going to start off by removing the back cover on this Samsung A42 5G. And to be honest, this is my first time to know that there's such a model from Samsung, the A42 5G. And we're going to remove the shroud on this one. And by the looks of it, this is looking like a mid-range smartphone. You can always tell on Samsung smartphones if they are premium or flagship or entry-level or mid-range smartphones based on the construction. So this one has the display attached to it via clips on a secondary chassis. So this one is also the shroud for this one, and you have all the antennas showing up. The main board is coming off right here, the daughter board at the bottom, and then the battery in the middle. So we're gonna detach the battery. As you can see here, there's an adhesive tape. We're gonna reuse that one. And this is the replacement display. So all the parts that we have removed from the old one will be transplanted in this one. So it's kind of looking easier so far, and it is easier. If you want to try on smartphone repair, you can try on these models because you have fewer parts that are attached via adhesive. You can also see the connectors for the antenna and the main board, and you can put on the shroud / chassis. These are also held on by clips, so no risk here of damage. And then you can just put back the back cover. So this is quite an easy repair for David, and this is almost done. So we're gonna put on all the screws back in place, and then we're gonna test it, and it will be ready for the customer. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy smartphone that needs a screen replacement, battery replacement, charging port replacement, head on to Sydney CBD Repair Center and we'll sort your problem out for you. And as you can see here, it's looking pretty nice. It looks brand new again. So we're gonna attach the back cover and it's done. So we also do ROG phones, iPhones, smartwatches, and other premium Samsung Galaxy smartphones. So if you want to have those repairs done with us, call us or message us. And thanks for joining, guys. Till next time. Cheers.